Hi, boy. You playing catch with Daddy? Aggie? Avila?
Robbie? Yo!
Hey, you! I'm talking to you!
Robbie?
Where's my baby?
Robbie? We have to work on his throwing style.
Oh, what a good throw, baby. Good job.
I'm over here, silly. Your butt itch?
What? Are you being a fetch? Avi, Dworkin.
What?
He gets the, you know, he's been able to like actually play catch for like, about half a year now because he's such a smart boy. He was even throwing the ball 7 or 8 months back. What a smart baby! He likes making you go fetch. You think Daddy's a puppy? Who's that? Is that your daddy?
What was that? It was like a diving crawl.
Go fetch, Dad.
No, he figured if he threw it over there, it'd be closer to his little
Oh, my gliglets! You like that toy, don't you? Grandma Cindy picked out a good toy. Hey, Avi. What up, man? Hey, Avi. Avi. Up. Let's see if he responds. Avi. Hi. 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 Bye-bye. Avi. No, he's about to eat something icky. Oh, gross. Don't do it.